How to delete a Snapchat account. In this video, I'll walk you through how to permanently delete your Snapchat account directly from the Snapchat app on an iPhone, Android, or Samsung device. If this video is helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really supports me. To begin, open the Snapchat app. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Inside Settings, under Shortcuts, choose Delete Account. If you don't see the Delete Account option, check the video description. I've included a direct link to Snapchat's website. Just tap that link and open it. This method works on any device. Now select Delete Account. Snapchat will open a browser inside the app. Log into your account, and once you're signed in, you'll reach a screen where you simply need to enter your password again. At this point, Snapchat will first deactivate your account for 30 days. If you don't reactivate it during those 30 days by logging back in, your account will be permanently deleted. So just avoid logging in for 30 days, and after that, your Snapchat account will be permanently removed. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up.